I believe that all of you know this man. Yes. During the presidential election in Lagos State, during that time, Peter Obi and Tinubu, during the election time, during the election, that is when they put this man inside prison. Since then, they never released this man. The offense that this man committed in Lagos is that there was a time during the presidential election, some of the Yorubas are maltreating and persecuting Igbos in Lagos because Igbos say that they will vote for Peter Obi in Lagos. And there are some of the Yorubas, they are maltreating Igbos, they are threatening Igbos that if you vote for Peter Obi, they threaten them, maltreating them, and the government do not do them anything. Wicked government, wicked generation government, Nigeria government do not do anything to them. Some of the Yorubas maltreat Igbos, threaten them that if they vote for Peter Obi, and the government do not do them anything. I know say if na Igbo land where somebody stand up, threaten Yoruba, tell them if they vote for Tinubu, I know say they will arrest that person immediately. But some of the celebrities in Yorubas threaten Igbos. Government no do them anything. They leave them. Do you see that we are living in a wicked generation? Do you see that we are living in a wicked country? Tribalism. Now this man stood up in Lagos. He said that he will call the IPOP people to go to Lagos to protect Igbo's business in Lagos. As this man mentioned that statement, Lagos State Governor arrested this man. Since then till today, 2025, they never released this man. Now they don't sentence this man 12 months imprisonment. They don't talk say why them sentence him 12 months imprisonment is because of why the man they answer king Eze. They have only one king in Yoruba land. They are looking for any means to jail this man, this innocent man that fight for the Igbos that Yorubas are persecuting. They offend the sin that this man committed in Lagos is that some of the Yorubas are maltreating Igbos in Lagos. Yes. They are maltreating Igbos in Lagos. And this man said that, no, I will stand up to defend my people. That is the only sin that this man committed. And this is then they arrest him. The offense, the sin that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed today is that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, no, I need Biafra. Because what is happening in Nigeria is terrible. Listen to me. Since 2009 till 2025, is there no every month you will hear that Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen, they don't buy somebody. They are on their mission for the Islamization of Nigeria. That is one of the things that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu saw. He said, no, my people will not flow for this thing. He's trying to separate Igbos. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is inside prison today? Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stood for Biafra. Only Biafra is the sin that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed. I'm telling some Yorubas that are maltreating Igbos in Lagos. Igbo people love you people. That is why they come to Lagos doing investment. Some of the Igbos, they build house in Lagos. They do investment in Lagos. They not do any investment in Igbo land, in their father's house. There are some of the Igbos, they have do investment like 1 billion naira in Lagos. In their hometown, they not do investment like 500,000 naira, 1 million naira. I'm telling you the truth. Now, there are some of the areas, there are some of the places in Lagos, only water. But Igbo people come that place, cover them with the sand, build house that place, motivate others to come that place to do investment. After Igbo suffer this thing, and you people use bad thing to pay them back. No problem. No problem. No problem. But whatever amount sowed in this life, you will reap what you sowed. you will reap what you sowed. Tribalism. Yoruba people, make I tell you people, Igbo no be a problem. Igbo no be the problem of Lagos. I believe that some of my brothers Igbos, they don't get sense now. Some of them now are returning back, doing investment in their hometown. Like the other man, Lagos Landmark, they demolish investment worth $30 million. They no compensate him shishi. They not give him shishi. They demolish him. Obun Igbo and in Lagos. If you are an Igbo man or woman and you are living in Lagos, I want to ask you a question. Do you know this man? This man that wearing lead cap. Do you know him? Now, Obun Igbo why this man which went on a prison today? On go almost 2 years and now. And then do your bad to go and then don't join him 1 year imprisonment. Ask yourself, can he hear me this man doing on him? Now let me tell you people something. I never a day saw the Igbos do protests about this man in Lagos. I'm not telling you people to come out protest moving around main road. No. Even in that market, gather themselves together with the banner of this man. Tell the Lagos state governor he should release this man, because this man is inside prison because of you. You are in Lagos. Then during the time some Yorubas are maltreating you, burning your business, maltreating you in Lagos, and nobody talk. Even the Lagos state governor that put this man in prison couldn't condemn his brother. Tell them they should stop this tribalism they are practicing. They should stop this thing they are doing. Lagos state governor couldn't do that. Everybody keep silent. Even Ohanes and Igbo, even our eastern governors, everybody keep quiet. And these people are maltreating Igbos in Lagos, telling them go back to Anambra or go back to Enugu. And this man stood up, said, no, I will invite the IPOP people for them to come here to secure Igbo business, to secure my brothers, my sisters, for this thing that they are doing to them in this place. They put him in prison. Why will you call IPOP? Why will you call biafra here? They put him inside prison. But the same people that are condemning him, their brothers are fighting for Duduwa. Yes. Now, they charge him with terrorists. Yes. After they charge him, he don't spend like 2 years and now. They never release him. Now, today, now they have charged him 1 year imprisonment. They don't cancel terrorist charge. They say, why? He will answer that as a Igbo in Lagos. He not supposed to answer that as a king in Lagos. They use because of that jail him 1 year. Now, because they don't find something where they go use to put the man inside prison, they no see. Because the man, his hand, they clean. The man no be bad man. The man is a good man. The man just stood up because of what the Yorubas are doing to Igbos in Lagos. He stood up to defend his brothers. And that is the work of the government. Government supposed to do that, but they couldn't do it because them man are tribalism, food for their head. So Igbos in Lagos, now they end up jail 1 year. Why he will answer king? Why will he answer king in Lagos? He not supposed to answer that king. Because of that, them jail 1 year imprisonment. After that 1 year, I don't know what next they will talk again. I don't know whether they will release him or they will find another thing to talk. I don't know. This is a country we see ourselves into, and you Igbo man or woman that are in Lagos, you feel less concerned, that you don't care. You don't care. Don't you know that you're supposed to stand up for this man? I'm not talking about for you people to come out to do protests. No. In that market, that trade fair, that market, you people are doing business. All of you will gather with a banner. Tell the Lagos state government making him release this man. I'm expecting you people to do it, but you people don't do anything. But at the same man where they stand for you people, all the Igbos in Lagos, I don't know what to call you people. I don't know what to call you people. This man that stood for you people. You people couldn't stand for this man. But this man only feel less concerned. Yes, me. I came out do protests. I don't know the man. Money Amalo. But I saw what they did to this man in Lagos. I said, no. Made this man drama. They are maltreating this man because this man is an Igbo man. No, let me stand up for this man. That is when I stand doing protests. I believe all of you don't watch my previous video last year. I was doing protests about this man. Tell the Lagos State Governor to release this innocent man. And all the Igbos in Lagos, all of them keep quiet. All of them keep quiet. Feel I don't care. If this man is an Hausa man, and some Yorubas are persecuting Hausa in Lagos, and this man stood up for other Hausa in Lagos, and the Lagos State Governor put him for prison, you see how all the Hausa in Lagos will be protesting. They will be telling the Lagos State Governor to release this man. But all the Igbos in Lagos feel I don't care. I'm sorry for you people.